Hi, I'm Felix. I just attended the marketing and social media workshop from Bettina today, and I was surprised. There was a very good balance of content and fun. I like her very personal approach. She gave us a lot of examples, also from and tidbits and secret informations and hints about the way she personally uses social media for her own business, which is always great because theory should be backed up by practice. I liked her lively approach to the topic. The speech or the content of the presentation was very well structured, in my opinion. I could follow it logically, and it was very thoroughly researched because it covered the topics from very different points of view and perspectives, which is always optimal. So all in all, it was a very cool experience. I would definitely do it again, and I would definitely recommend it to anybody who wants to learn more about social media marketing, who wants to learn more about how to use and harness the power of social media for their own private or business purposes. Awesome, thanks.